What's up, everyone? So if you've ever put LED lights on an old Honda bike and you can't get them to flash, you might need a new flasher. So I'll show you for $7 on eBay how you can just achieve that. So let's go. So right here we've got what you may find on your old Honda bike. This is the original flasher. Hold on one sec. So this one's got two connectors right here. It's got a B and an L. But for the LED lights you need an extra ground. So I picked this one up on eBay. So this one's pretty straightforward. So let me show you. On your Honda you're usually going to have three. Anything green coming from the bike, so we're looking at this side, anything green is going to be a ground wire. That one might be unplugged on your old Honda. So when you get this one, you're going to connect green to black. You're going to connect the double color, white and green or white and red, whatever it may be, to the red. And then you're going to connect the gray one to the green one on your new flasher. So with the old one, and once you hit the button, it would just stay on, or it wouldn't flash at all. So here's what it works. Here's how it works. Okay, so this light's working. Boom. Boom. Throw this in. And boom. So if you're, there you go. There's your new LED flasher. I'll leave the link down below. So if you have one of these older Honda bikes or older motorcycle in general, and you put LED turn signals and they're not flashing, your turn signals might not be generating enough resistance to actually trip flasher. So with this flasher, your problem should be solved. The link is down below in the description. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe, helps me out, and I'll be putting out more content very soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.